educators and the people of Student Alliance. Welcome to our channel again. In this video, we're going to extend the ViewSonic board features. One of the features is to use the browser really well. Now, say that you're using the browser, and while that usage is happening, you wanted to put all formulas of chemistry in one place, right? So let's say, for example, in case we are talking about one particular chapter, which is solutions. And in that you type Henry's law, right? So just go on the images. As soon as you go on the images, any content that you want to take from the images, you just have to long click on this. For example, this. You can directly save the image onto the current canvas. Let's click that. The same thing with this image. The same thing with this image. Now, once you close this, you will see all of the formulas here on your board, where you can just take a screenshot using this option, and the entire screen will come as a picture. Now, it is easy to share these notes with the students where you don't have to specifically write every formula. Just use the browser, and as many things as possible, you will be able to get the screenshots and show it to students from time to time. Hope this helps you with your NEET preparation. Thank you so much.